Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, locate calendar. Then tap on it and choose one of the dates. I will go with that one. When you're done, click at this icon at the bottom right corner, and over here you can pick which kind of event it is. Anniversary, birthday, etc. You can add a name of it. Choose starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on the switcher next to all day. You can set up reminder, add guest, location, even take notes. When you're done, click at the click at the top right corner over here in order to save your event. As you can see, my event was successfully added, but if you wish to delete it, you can always hold it. Click on the spin icon over here. We'll try again. And tap OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!